Rishita and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, as you can see from the title, it's about how to decorate your house for Valentine's Day. So I might sound cheesy, but I love Valentine's Day. It's one of the months which is full of love, full of happiness around, people falling in love, and full of roses, reds, pinks, hearts everywhere. And I've always loved celebrations. I've always loved to celebrate any occasions, be it birthdays, be it anniversaries, be it weddings. I love such kind of occasion, and this is one of the occasion, or I can say celebration, where you can be with your loved ones and celebrate. So you might not have any Valentine, or you might not have any plans for Valentine's Day, but you can still enjoy Valentine's Day just by being at home, pampering yourself and enjoying the day with someone or without someone. So I might not have much plans for Valentine's Day this time. I didn't have any plans last year, but this time I don't know, probably we'll go out for desserts to try some sweets. But yeah, I still love it. I still enjoy the day. We'll have lunch at home, we'll be together, and we'll go out. So today I'm going to show you guys some DIY, some decor, some treats for Valentine's Day. So this way, if you don't have any plans for Valentine's Day, you can still enjoy the day with yourself or with your someone special. So this is my first time decorating a house for Valentine's Day. I haven't done it before ever. And yeah, I'm excited to see how it goes. And I have been talking for so long, I know, and I'll just quickly get into the video. And yeah, let's start.
So for the first DIY, which is XO tablecloth, all you need first is any random cloth so that the paint doesn't get on the table. Here I'm using a plain white tablecloth. You can use any white bedsheet, or you can find a plain white tablecloth online as well. I'm using just a black fabric paint to paint on my tablecloth, and it's quite explanatory as it's very simple and easy. You just need to paint X's and O's on a tablecloth. It looks super cute, and this DIY is perfect for a romantic dinner at home and for Valentine's Day.
Walking away, your words are lost.
For the string of hearts, I have jute thread and red foam sheet. You can use red chart paper too. I'm drawing series of hearts on the foam sheet and will cut the heart shapes one by one carefully. And we'll stick the hearts with the glue on the thread. You can either hang them against the window or wall, or just lay it on a table like me to make it look more Valentine.
I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it.
And now moving on to the treats, which is my favorite part of the video. Here we'll show how I make the yummy and fluffy mug cake with cream cheese. I of course searched for the recipe in YouTube, so I'm making it as per the recipe by following directions. Now my batter is ready, so we'll just allow it to bake. Also made the cream cheese at home with the help of some YouTube videos.
Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't move one at a time, promise.
And it's ready to eat.
When I say I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you.
So the next treat is very interesting and colorful one, where I'm just adding the dessert board with all these dessert yummies one by one and make it look presentable and ready for Valentine's Day treat. And they look so cute, and they are so easy to make and style. You just need to keep experimenting with colors.
I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose it.
Hope you enjoyed watching my Valentine's Day decor, DIYs and treats, and hope you got some inspirations or ideas for Valentine's Day. And if you really like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So yeah, bye bye.
No, I can't move one at a time. Promise I'll put down.